Hi everyone, today I wanted to share this low-carb zucchini enchilada recipe with you. So let's start by adding 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil to a pan over medium heat. Add in 1 large onion that's chopped with some kosher salt and cook that for 5 minutes. Then you're going to add 2 teaspoons of ground cumin and 2 teaspoons of chili powder. Next you're going to add 3 cups of shredded chicken, and I actually used a rotisserie chicken. And then 1 cup of red enchilada sauce, and try to find one that is low in sugar or 0 sugar. And you're just going to stir that up really good and cook it until it's nice and saucy. Next up you have your 3 zucchini slices you're going to lay out overlapping each other, and you're going to fill those with a spoonful of your chicken mixture. Roll them up and then put them in a baking pan like Pyrex or something, and just repeat until you're done with the mixture. Spoon 1/3 cup of red enchilada sauce over the zucchini, sprinkle with some cheese, and throw in an oven that's preheated at 350 degrees for 20 minutes or until the cheese is melted. Enjoy, and please subscribe to my channel for more recipes.